Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YUMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk about some areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be $2. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be the biggest sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point down here, and that sits at $1.70. So $2 and $1.70, two of the nearer term levels of support. From the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of just measuring the overall health of the move, right here being defined as the move. So if you want a simplistic way to gauge that health, just look at that purple line, and the easiest way to look at that, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line moving forward, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Of course, yeah, you'd want to see the price ideally stay above these levels of support, but even if it doesn't, as long as the price stays above that purple line, that implies that from the big picture of things, the price is putting in those higher lows, and that's the name of the game, because as long as there's higher lows being built over longer stretches of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to keep on fighting forward, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, key level of resistance right up there at $2.35, and that's the only one I'm going to focus on. Reason for that being, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority for the chart. Top priority is just going through a healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because like I already said, and I want to end on this, as long as the price goes through healthy consolidation and builds those higher bases over time, the chart is going to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So very powerful way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum as the week continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.